The presence of grease and oil is common in structural materials and must be completely removed before painting and repainting. Blasting is the most effective procedure for cleaning and preparing the surface since it removes rust, scale, welding residues, oils and other dirt, while achieving an excellent roughness that favors adhesion of paint. The surface is blasted with small particles of abrasive materials thrown at high speed by compressed air through a flexible hose. In the eNOVA Buildings factory, the auto shot blasting machine cleans surfaces up to grade SA 2.5 and adheres to ISO 8501-1 standards. Blasted structures have a very active surface that are easily oxidized and must be coated with paint immediately. A monorail moves the structures automatically along while paint is sprayed on, ensuring the paint is evenly applied. A water curtain absorbs all paint dust during spray application, creating a safe and non-toxic environment. Depending on the specifications of the project, one or multiple coats of alkyd or epoxy paints are applied as primer and top coat. The thickness of the paint layers is checked while the paint is wet, and after the paint has dried.